So what's going on YouTube? My name is Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Indian Tab. So guys, as you can see that in this video we're gonna learn about JSX in React. So in the previous video I have covered everything about component, that what is component and how it works with React. So if you guys haven't watched that video, then please go ahead and watch that. Now moving towards JSX, I would like to say that like the full form of JSX is JavaScript XML, and JSX is the thing that we will be using throughout the React development for the UI like UI components. So like if you are looking at this app component, then this component is returning some sort of like tags, we can say that it looks like HTML, but it is not the actual HTML code. So yes, like this is the JSX code that is being returned from the app component function. So like how it's work at the backend, or we can say the behind the scene mechanism that is being processed. So if I just comment it out, if I just comment this code of JSX, and if I write the actual thing that is being happening at the back end, or we can say the behind the scene. So the method that is being provided by React itself is react.createElement. So this method is responsible for creating all the HTML, or we can say the UI thing at the browser. So if I just wanted to like reproduce this particular code, then I just need to create a div tag. So I will define that I just need to create an element with a div tag. So this method create element takes like around 3 parameters. Like it can take infinite number of parameters, but like initially I will start with 3 parameters. So first one is the name of the tag, or name of the component that I need to use. The second one is for styling, like if I skip styling for like time. Now the next thing is a string that I just wanted to write inside JSX and React. If I write this, I will just format my code and just like once it's compiled, I will have a look onto my browser that how my like div element which is having JSX in React code like string. Yeah. So if I go back to my browser and have a look, then the div tag has been created and the text inside it is the same that I have created from react.createElement. Now if I go onto my like inspect element option, and if I have if I have a look at the div that I just created, is like inside my root div that is for my application, I'm having the React I'm having the div tag with JSX and React string. So this particular method react.createElement just created a div and with JSX and React string. Now like if I just wanted to provide some sort of styling like this class name of app, then I can provide it here. For providing the class name, I just need to write class name, and I just need to provide the string, or we can say the actual class name. Now if I click on save and the code is being compiled, yeah, now you can have a look that like in this particular thing, I just need to refresh, I think. Yeah, so it's working absolutely fine, JSX in React. And if I go to my particular div, then you can see that the class has been applied to app. So the like another difference is, like in the JSX you can see that we are using the keyword class name, while in the HTML code you can see that this is the exact keyword class that is being used in HTML code. So yes, it is simply, now it's very much clear that this is not actual HTML, this is JSX. Now the thing is, like I was saying that this particular method takes like infinite number of parameters. I was saying that because we can nest like any other element or any other component in one component, like the way this div is like nesting this h2 tag. So if I just wanted to create like h2 tag, then what I need to do is, again I need to create an element with the same method, react.createElement, and this time I'll be creating h2 for styling. As of now I will keep it as null. Now I just need to pass the string, that is the Indian tab, that is my YouTube channel name. I'll just format this code and just wait for its compilation. Once it's compiled, we can have a look onto my browser. So yes, now you can have a look that the code has been updated. The Indian dev is here, and now if I have a look at my div tag, so inside div tag you can have a look that JSX in React string is there, and the h2 tag has been created by this react.createElement. So yes, this way react.createElement, like we can say that our JSX compiles to this react.createElement, and this react.createElement is responsible for this particular like conversion of this code to the HTML code, because at the end we are all clear that at the end everything is HTML onto our browser. So yes, this was all about JSX. We will be like looking at some more like things about JSX in the next video, maybe the restriction of JSX. So yes, thank you for watching this video, guys. If this video was like a little bit helpful to you, then please make sure to like this video and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.